Welcome to Bob R Photos. It's free to subscribe, so hit that button, hit that like button to help my channel grow, and hit that share button to share with your family and friends. Let's get into this video. Finally saw a kingfisher for the first time this year, and he was pretty active. He was catching fish, and it was pretty cool to watch. And these next few shots was pretty cool, where he dove into the water and he came straight up out of the water, which was really sharp, and then he flew off, but it didn't appear that he had anything at this time. Whenever he catch something, he would always go over to this little overlook pier, and seemed to be his favorite spot to hang out. And here he's getting ready to dive back in and catch something. Here we got a tricolor heron, very fascinating to watch. Unlike the great white egrets that can stand for long periods of time looking for their fish or prey, these guys are very active, will chase all schools of fish all around, trying to just get whatever they can get. They don't sit still. And here's some still shots of them chasing after fish. The video and stills were all taken with my new Nikon Z8. I'm really enjoying this camera. A lot of people knock it, but so far I've had no problems with it, and it's been working fine for me. Here's some juvenile green herrings. For a while now I've been trying to get these guys when they're out in the open, and finally they're not hiding behind any sticks or twigs or leaves, and pretty sharp bird, pretty neat with a little peach fuzz on top of their head. Coming up on the end of the video, I hope you enjoyed it. Again, please hit that subscribe button, it's free. Hit that like button, it helps my channel grow. And share this with your family and friends. And please follow me on Instagram at Bob R Photos. Thank you.